Yo, welcome back guys in this new video. And guys, today I will show you a theme of Vivo V27 for all Android phones. You can easily apply this theme on your Android phone by following steps of this video. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So let's start now. So guys, first of all you need to set up your home screen like my home screen setup. So guys, you need a theme file. So in my description I have given a theme file on my website. So open my description and check out this link, level of technology Vivo V27 theme. Okay, and you can see the theme preview look on the website. Some information available of this theme on my site, and you can easily download theme file button link below. And this theme file is password protect, password available in YouTube video. Scroll down for video. So first of all you need to subscribe to unlock this link. I am owner this channel, so it will check, and you can see on subscribe channel green tick and get unlock your link. Okay, your link is ready now. Go to your link file, and this is link. Automatically file downloading start. I have already download. So now you need some things. First of all, open Play Store, and you need XOS launcher, Bees launcher, and iOS launcher. You need to install any one launcher of these two launcher, both launchers. Okay, and you need a more application, little bit Z Achiever. Okay, and Z font. These applications you need. Okay, so first of all set up your home screen look like me, and click on home screen XOS launcher and iOS launcher. This is launcher preview look, and go to widgets and go to gallery widgets. Open one, and you can see this is the Vivo widget automatically selected. So open Z Achiever application, go to download folder. If you download your file from Chrome browser, any browser, you can see any browser file in main storage. Go to download. You can see this is zip file. I already extract this zip file with password. So password in this video, don't skip any part of this video. Go to Vivo V27 theme, and you can see Vivo V27 font file, notification tone, ringtone, stock wallpaper, V27 theme file, and widget file. Okay, you can see. So first of all we need Vivo V27 theme file, and click on it. Don't extract it. Okay, simply copy, go back, go in Android folder, go in data and scroll down and go in com.transaction.xos launcher. If you install XOS launcher, so you find this folder XOS, and if you install iOS launcher, so you need to find iOS launcher folder in Android data folder. Okay, go in it, go to files, go die and paste here. I have already pasted this file, so I will replace. Okay, so easily our file is paste in method 1. And if your theme file does not exist in your theme store, so you need to again copy this file. Okay, copy this file, go back, and in main storage you can see a theme folder. If no theme folder, so go to Android data and go in theme folder. In time I have no theme folder because I have already a theme folder in Android data folder. If you have not a theme folder in your data folder, so theme folder is available in this place. Okay, so I will cross and go to download Vivo V20 font file. So how to apply this font? How to apply this font with easily? And this is a notification tone, and this is a ringtone. You can easily apply these notification tone and ringtone. Go to settings, go to sounds and vibrations, and click on sim one ringtone just once, and add an ringtone. Go to Infinix Hot 12 device folder and your Android folder. Go to download, go to file, and go to ringtone. Select ringtone. So ring again, check, and okay, add notification tone just once, and add notification tone. Go to notification V27 file. So now time stock wallpapers. These are some stock wallpaper of Vivo V27. You can easily apply it, and this is theme file. So now time to go in your launcher home screen view and find X theme and High theme. High theme available in iOS launcher and X theme available in XOS launcher. So open it, go to theme, go to local. You can see all themes of my creation. So you can easily these theme playlist access by my on I button. Okay, so you need to find the latest theme. Okay, this is latest theme Vivo V27. You can see and click on apply button. In one click you can easily change all the view of your Android phone in Vivo V27. You can see now, and now last step is font file applying. Go to Z font, agree, okay, go to local, go to pick file, and go to Android, download files, and font file and source. Okay, this is Vivo stock font file. Use this folder, allow, and skip add, change font, and finally our phone is successfully converted in Vivo V27. You can easily see, and any step. So again check download folder V27 widget wallpaper. This image available in this file. So easily you can set this image from your gallery file, add pic or preview. You can easily add this pic in your home screen for bettering look. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. So bye bye and peace out.